This question asks us to predict the product of this starting material reacting with HBr. We need to be careful here because we're specified that we're only using one equivalent of HBr. So we're going to get an alcohol and a haloalkane as the product. Which side will be the alcohol, which side will be the haloalkane? That's what we need to be careful about. So the first thing that will happen is the oxygen will get protonated by HBr to form our good leaving group. And then one of the carbon-oxygen bonds will break to form a carbocation. On the left side, we would form a tertiary carbocation. On the right side, we would form a secondary carbocation. The tertiary carbocation will be the one that forms preferentially. So we'll break the bond between the oxygen and the tertiary carbon. That's going to leave the right side to be the alcohol. So we'll start there. The right side will be the alcohol because that bond will not, this carbon-oxygen bond will not break. The one that does leaves behind a carbocation. Br- can attack that carbocation to form the haloalkane. And so our other product of this reaction will be the haloalkane at that tertiary carbon. These are the two products when we treat this ether with one equivalent of HBr.